Alright, welcome to your science, everybody. So, if you're getting late in this topographic lab, if we're down to here, remember, each partner needs to have a map that's going to look roughly, but definitely not exactly like this. And at the point that each partner has one of these, you can go over there and clean up all of your little plastic things, rinse them off, chuck them over there in the drying rack, and we're ready to finish this thing up on pencil and paper. Okay? So, if you're confused with what to do here, it says draw a line through. I've done that. Draw a line right through the middle so that it goes through everything. It says label 3 points. And remember this thing up here. Keep the volcano on the left. So my volcano's on the left side over here. It's not right in the middle. It says label 3 points. And that's one right there. A. Right towards the middle is B. If you want to make your math easy and you want to cheat a little bit, I won't be mad at you. You could really do 2-point B's. Right on the edge of each of the inner line right there. That might make your life easy. Or put it right in the middle. Math will be slightly more confusing, but still very doable. And over there will be C. Alright. Make a scale for your map using a ruler. 1 centimeter is a mile. So we've had scales on maps all pre-printed. This one you gotta make one. So you're gonna come down here. This is gonna be tricky with one hand, but chuck a line. That's awful. Do it better than that. 1, 2, 3, 4, right along with the centimeters, right? And then once you're done with that, and yours looks much better than this because you're using 2 hands, we're going to say that this is in miles, like 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Excellent. What else? Create a profile using this line from A to C's. I'm sorry, A to C. So profile, again, you shouldn't be doing this if you haven't done profiles. You've done a bunch of them by the time you make it this far, so that won't be a consideration. A profile is that side view thing. You're going to take this piece of paper, chuck it on there, and make all those markings, and then you're going to come over here. You're going to need this guy right here to do that. I'll put it over there on the side where you've gotten all the other paperwork. It's pretty much just a blank grid, so you'll have to go and label that's 0, and then go by 100s, because I believe that's what we did in this lab, if I remember right. It is. So 0 feet above sea level, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. Alright, so label that. Then you're going to take this piece of paper and make the profile on there. Hey, Mr. F, I ran out of space because this thing's a little bit longer. That's okay. If you got it on the left over here, then we'll at least be able to see the volcano thing. If we lose a little bit on the side over here, so it goes. I'll be okay with that. Alright, that should get you most of the way there. On the back here, well, on the next page, it'll be back on the lab. You're going to have to do a couple of gradient problems. That's what it says here for number 10. They're on the back. And a couple of quick questions, and that's it. I think you've made it entirely through Topo Maps. Thanks for all your work. Great job. We'll see you on the next video.